Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting power and video connected. Plug the Chromecast into an open HDMI port and attach the USB power cable. Use the wall adapter if your TV's USB doesn't provide sufficient power. Once done, switch your TV input to that HDMI source so you see the Chromecast welcome screen. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. Having the Google Home app installed and Bluetooth enabled makes discovery faster. Now move on to configuring the device. You'll now finish the configuration in the Google Home app. Open the app, tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device and select New Device. The app will search and find your Chromecast. Confirm the code shown on the TV matches the app, then select the room and enter your Wi-Fi network and password so the Chromecast can join your network. Allow any requested permissions and let the Chromecast download and install firmware updates. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. You're ready to cast. Open a supported app on your phone, tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast. Video should appear on the TV while playback controls stay on your device. If audio or controls act up, make sure the Chromecast firmware and app are updated, and confirm the device remains on the same Wi-Fi band. If casting fails, power cycle the Chromecast and router, or rerun the Google Home setup. This resolves most issues quickly. One key tip: rebooting the Chromecast often fixes odd connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.